Good morning, buddy. Thank you for joining me today. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "You must be the change you want to see in the world." Today, I want to discuss how we can become part of a vital change, the transformation of our investment landscape to combat climate change. So my name is Peter, and my journey into the world of finance began in 6th grade. Driven by curiosity, I've explored topics from debt crises to individual stock selection. Climate change has also been on my mind ever since first learning about it in elementary school. Throughout my middle school years, I researched wildfires and volunteered regularly at the Presidio, a national park near my home in San Francisco. Last summer, I participated in an environmental volunteering program in Costa Rica, where I planted endangered trees, made eco-bricks, and facilitated beach cleanups. So throughout my time there, I experienced the actual effects global warming has on local ecosystems. For example, that sea turtles are now facing many difficulties reproducing because the shifting tides are bringing waste and logs onto beaches where they lay their eggs and preventing the actual hatched baby turtles from ever actually reaching the ocean. I hope to make an impact, so I turn towards my understanding of investing to find possible solutions. I began researching ESG ratings. So the findings actually really surprised me. I assumed ESG investing would have a positive impact, and I merely wanted to find the most optimal investing strategy. However, as I dug deeper, I uncovered many problems associated with them. One of the problems of ESG investing and ratings is a bias towards companies in green industries. A recent study done by Kelly Xu at Yale revealed that ESG ratings tend to favor companies in industries which inherently have low carbon emissions, like software, finance, tech, and travel services, while neglecting companies in brown industries, such as agriculture, airlines, and manufacturing. So the disparity of emissions between green and brown industries is huge. Brown firms contribute 260 times more pollution than green firms. Because of this, a mere 1% reduction in emissions by brown companies outweighs a 100% reduction by green ones. If we truly want to transition to a sustainable economy, all firms, including brown ones, must reduce their emissions. So core ESG idea is that we must reward green firms by making it easy for them to raise money through investing their stocks, while punishing brown firms by making it harder for them to attain capital. Supposedly, this will encourage green companies to make further investments in clean technology and encourage brown firms to do so as well, because they can work towards lowering their cost of capital. However, in reality, this method of investing does not help the transition to a sustainable future. So firstly, as stated, green firms are already in industries like healthcare and tech, which have low emissions. So investing further will just yield less results. Attempting to shrink brown industries by diverting capital away is also inefficient, because many brown industries are integral to the functioning of our society, like agriculture, airlines, and industrial production. We need those industries. Making it hard for brown firms to raise capital means it is more costly for them to fund their projects, therefore encouraging them to pursue projects with short-term payoffs rather than those with higher returns that come later. A transition to sustainability for brown firms will require significant upfront investment into equipment and technology. Therefore, it is necessary to make it easy for the brown firms to actually plan to do so. So unfortunately, the portfolio of many sustainable funds are overweight in green firms, as you can see in this chart. As environmentally conscious investors, we must assess companies based on their absolute reduction of carbon emissions, not by percentages. We should aim to invest in the companies who are striving to meet climate goals, and especially ones in indispensable industries who have inherently high carbon emissions. As stewards of our planet, let's move forward with a new mindset. Thank you.